Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by downloading the correct Xdj Rx2 firmware file to your computer and unzip it if necessary. Once done, connect the unit to a stable power source and the computer via a good USB-B cable. This avoids interruptions. Make sure any USB drives you use are backed up and formatted correctly so you can restore libraries. Now power the player in standby, enter updater mode per instructions, and confirm the device is recognized by your computer before initiating the transfer. Run the official Pioneer updater on your computer with administrator rights so files install cleanly. Next, select the Xdj Rx2 and load the firmware file you downloaded. The app will validate the package to prevent corruption. Click Start to transfer. You will see progress indicators. During this phase, do not touch cables, power, or buttons. Interruptions can brick the unit. Allow the updater to complete both transfer and verification steps. When it indicates success, proceed to the device reboot step. After the updater finishes, reboot the Xdj Rx2 and go to the system info screen to confirm the new firmware version. Once confirmed, restore any backed up settings and USB libraries, then systematically test audio output, jog wheel response, pads, and effects to ensure everything operates correctly. If something went wrong, shut down, retry the update using a different USB cable or computer, and reformat the USB drive. These steps resolve most failures, and repeating the validated transfer often clears remaining issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.